So, uh, good evening to all of you, and I was talking about the result set in the last class, and we had some technical issues in that case. Some of you were not able to reach. So, result set we were talking about, correct? So, what exactly result set? And I have explained in the last class about the result set in a proper manner, like what exactly result set is, what all the other things are going. So, in that case, now I am writing one example associated with the result set, how this result set is working, what are the basic properties of the result set, how things are going on in the case of result set, that I'll just explaining it. So let's see the example basis of result set. I'm writing here few things. What is that few things as I'm writing now? I have created here these all things here. See first now. So in the case of now JDBC util, in JDBC util now I am writing get Oracle connection. This is what I am writing, and this returns to the type of connection. So JDBC util dot get Oracle connection, which I am writing here inside this. Well, now after writing the JDBC util dot get Oracle connection, what I want to write now, con dot create a statement, you say here. See, create a statement, and this gives the statement type. Here itself you need to now understand what I am trying to explain you guys, and on what basis the result set creation and all other sort of things depends. Fine. So as I am just writing here one thing, let's say I am writing now, I'll write something string here, SQL1 is equal to, let's say, star from student, as I have written here. Fine. So I'm writing here something called as the SQL and in this case now run as something administrator I'm doing. Well, and okay, so let's have a look on this. I'm writing well, now I've got it into this something. I have written this one record, that is the 102, 103 and 105, one student we are having in this. And now when I'm just writing here, so what I'll do now, st dot execute query, well I'll write, and SQL1 I am writing inside this case, and in this one here is equal to rs, I'll write it inside this. So rs is equal to st dot execute query, well I'm writing, let's write here the catch. Here I have written something inside this. Okay. Now after writing this one, now rs is equal to st dot execute query and all sort of things when I am writing all these things here. So what is next I am going to write here now? I am writing here the while, and see first thing here, what important thing which I am trying to show you here is, see now the result set object has been created here, the type of result set object has been created, type of result set again I am saying. If I am saying here is the type of result set, so what is the meaning? Let's print here the result set here, rs I am printing here guys, and simply see I'll just run this program, and after running this here you can have a look here what it is showing to you. It is showing here Oracle, see Oracle result set IMPL, something we are getting here. So Oracle result set IMPL which is there, is the implementation, or that class is implemented the, which one now? That class has implemented the ResultSet interface. That class has implemented the somehow ResultSet interface. That's one important thing here, correct? Now, so I want to know what is my ResultSet type. What is my ResultSet type? That is one important thing which we wanted to know here, correct? What is my ResultSet type? So see, ResultSet, as I said, with the help of this, we are fetching the record from the database, or we are trying to fetch the record from the database into this cases here, correct now? So when I am just fetching the record from the database, so especially two types of, or two forms we can fetch the ResultSet here. Number one is what? Suppose, let's see here, have a look at this. Two types of ResultSet, what I am talking about here is, see, majorly two types, type of ResultSet. So see, ResultSet, two types, 1 and 2. What is these two types? One is forward only ResultSet. Forward only ResultSet, and second one is scrollable ResultSet. What is the meaning of forward and scrollable ResultSet here, guys? See, if suppose we are having this set of data, we are having some set of data which is available into this, fine. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that we have, and your cursor which is there is pointing before first. Before first. Before first is what? A position for your cursor which is not pointing to any specific record, correct? So if my ResultSet is forward, keep it in mind. If my ResultSet is forward, then we can fetch the record only in the forward direction. We can only fetch the record in the forward direction. This is now. If your ResultSet is forward, you cannot access or you cannot traverse your ResultSet more than once. We cannot write it more than once. We cannot traverse it more than once. Correct? We cannot traverse this record more than once. Understand, guys, here. We cannot get this record more than once. Here, fine it is. So we are not able to fetch this record more than once here, correct? Hope you are understanding my point, correct? So this record which is there, we cannot fetch it more than once. We cannot traverse. So forward ResultSet, only once you can fetch the record, correct? And now here you see, in these two things are going to come into the picture. One is read only ResultSet, fine, and second one is again in this two parts into this. One is ResultSet read only, and second one is updatable ResultSet. So one is read only ResultSet, and second one what I am talking about is the updatable ResultSet. Similarly, in the case of scrollable ResultSet also we could have the two different types. One is again read only, and here is the updatable ResultSet. This is the basic, you can say, the type of ResultSet what we are having, fine. And now I am coming to the second one, scrollable ResultSet. When I am talking about the scrollable ResultSet, so if your ResultSet, whatever we are having, if it is there in the form of scrollable ResultSet, then your means you can fetch the record in the forward order. Yes, in forward order you can, plus in the reverse order also you can fetch the record. In the reverse order you can fetch the record. Now In order to get the record in the forward order, we have a different methods, whereas in order to fetch the record in the you can say previous order, reverse order, we have a different methods, correct? Now in that, so here if whether it is a forward or whether it is a scrollable, who will decide, and when this will be decided, the type of result set, that is one very important thing. When it is being decided that it is a forward result set, correct? So that's what I am showing. Whenever, as I am saying here, what is that I am saying here now? See, if in case either that is the case of whenever you are written create a statement, either you are writing create statement, guys, or in the case of prepared statement, in both of the cases, if I haven't specified anything over here, so the type of result set we are getting with the help of this statement here, this time this result set is the forward result set only, and I want to check the type of this result set. So here rs dot get type I am getting here. See, I am getting the type of this particular result set, and let's see what is the result set is. The default what we are getting is the 1003. 1003, remember it's in constant, guys. It's in what? It's in constant. For what? To define the result set, right? Or to type of result set. This is the constant. And now, where exactly this constant has been defined, guys? So we can just have a look here where exactly this constant has been defined here. For that, we need to just go into the in some of the specific, you can say, and that is the API I am writing, which is java dot, it's an SQL dot, here I am writing result set, I am writing here. Have a look here now. Okay, such a large API we have of the result set. You can have a look into this. See what a big API we are having into this cases, correct? Okay. Any questions? If you guys are getting, you can please keep on asking the questions. So in these cases, you see here types of result set, here is the constants which has already been defined, guys, here, correct? Here is the constant what we have defined into these cases, correct? Different kinds of constants which is available here, correct? Okay, when I am having these different types of constant in this, so what we are getting, one is the type result set, which is the forward only result set we are getting here, correct? Once when I am getting this forward only result set here, so see, as just now what I have got, what I told just now, that here the result set type what we are getting is the forward only result set. What just now I said it, the result set type what we are getting is the forward only result set, correct? This is the forward only result set, we are getting it inside this, correct? Now when I am as such I am saying about the forward only result set or something like that, when I am saying here, so we will be having just something understanding of all these things here. What is that understanding here now? I am just going to write inside this case or something like this. I am writing again into this case here. rs dot something I am writing, that is the get type I am writing, and that is going to be the result set type here, guys. So this result set type is the forward, and what we have written here now, get type, as I said, it is a forward only result set. So well, I'll show you one constant here now, result set dot type forward only. It is, as I said, it is a constant. So this, so if it is a forward, so this constant is there, so this both should have the same value here. Let's check it out. Yes, it is having the same value or not? 1003, 1003. It means it is a forward result set here, right? Now at the same time, see, rest of the codes are you are going to have the same thing, but if it is means when you are just fetching the records, you can have a look here, guys, that if I am writing here while into this case, let's see, now if the forward result set is there, then only you can call rs.next. You can call then only result set.next, but at the same time I cannot call here the previous, and you see that when I am calling here the previous, suppose rs dot, now I'm writing next here, sorry, rs dot get, let's say I'm writing int, I'm writing get int 1 I'm writing, and inside this now here int of sid I'm writing here, correct? Well, when I'm writing this sid, it is a type of int, so I have written here int string name rs dot get string of 2 I am writing here, string of, well, I am writing city, so rs dot get of string I am writing, that is the 3 I am writing into this. Well, after doing all these sort of things here, sid, in this case now name city I am writing, here I am writing the city. Okay, now see here it is the forward result set. I am trying to fetch it into the reverse direction. We are not able to get it here. See, java.lang.sql exception invalid. See, it is giving invalid operation. It is a previous only, correct? And since it is a previous only result set, we cannot define. Now what I want is here now, I want to define this result set in a something different order, in a different form. We are going to define this particular result set. So in order to define this particular type of result set, see here, here you see, now the type of result set is depending on the statement object creation, and statement object you are creating with the help of what? You are creating this with the help of create a statement or connection one. So here I want to write here, see, I want to write here one thing, that scrollable result set as such I wanted to create it here, right? So I'll write here result set dot scroll. What is sensitive, insensitive, we will be discussing later. And after this now, scrollable as I have created, now I am writing here one more result set dot concurrent, that is updatable result set, which means that, and now you see here, if I'll just try to get it in this here, see that if I'm getting this result set type here, so you will find it has been changed here, you see 104 we are getting, and now this is what a scrollable result set, guys, right? Here what I'll do now, so in order to access the result set data in the previous order through the result set, what you have to do now first is you must have to call this method in some of the specific order. Here I am writing, what is that now? I am writing now here, let's say rs dot next I am calling, next as I am calling here inside this. When I am calling this next inside this case, so I am running it here, guys. You see I am able to access that record well in the case of forward order as well as the reverse order by using the same result set here, right? Hope you are understanding these all things. Hope you are clear with this side, guys. So here you can just have a look for this result set. Many number of examples I have given in your notes, many number of things I have given in this. So please go through this result set, different types. If the result set is forward, what all different methods we can call. If the result set is scrollable, what all different methods we can call or we cannot call. All that I have given into the notes. And now hope you are clear with the result set. Further, if you are getting any questions, write it in the chat box. Please ask now itself, I will answer it, or write it in the comments box later on also, I will answer it. Or if you are getting, so now means 1 or 2 class maximum it is going to be on the basis of JDBC. I will even try to continue on the Saturday as well as the Sunday also these classes, and next week we will be having the Servlet classes, guys, here, and I will try to have some extra classes as well as on the Saturday and Sunday, so that we can complete this JDBC and then we can start the you can say Servlets, right? So here it is mostly the important topic was this only. One more topic is there, which is connection pooling, which is a very important. Result set metadata, database metadata, these all are a very simple topic. Batch updates, I will explain you tomorrow about the batch updates and all other sort of things. If any questions you guys are getting, any doubts you guys are getting, Write it in the comment box, write it in the chat box, write it me in the mail. I'll be definitely responding to all that. Thank you. Good night to all of you.